Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about balanced diet. So already in previous classes we have discussed about carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals a little, but today we are going to learn about balanced diet. Balanced diet means the diet which possesses the good amount of all nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in equal amount. So if you take balanced diet, you will observe proper growth, proper maintenance of the health, and also you will get the good growth and development in your mentally you will develop, and also physically also you will improve your strength. So balanced diet means already we discussed equal amount of nutrients present in the food is called balanced diet. What happens if we do not take the balanced diet? If we do not take the balanced diet, we will miss any one of the nutrients. For example, if you eat only chicken fry without rice, without curd, you are eating. What happens? You will get more proteins, no doubt at all. But you will miss carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals. Yes, so that's why we have to take balanced diet. And also, is this balanced diet is equal for all ages of the people? No, it depends on the age. First thing, it depends on the age, and also it depends on the physical work. Here pulses, groundnuts, soya beans, sprouted seeds, fermented foods like idli, a combination of flours like missi rot, telpa. It is made from cereals and pulses, and fruits like banana, leafy vegetable like spinach, sattu, jaggery, available vegetables, all vegetables. This all provides a number of nutrients to your body. But just think, these are not at all expensive. So without expensive food, we can complete our balanced diet. Here, the food, it should be tasted when we are eating, yes or no? So it should be cooked properly to get all the nutrients. Sometimes more cooking for more time, it may lose the vitamins and minerals. Best example, see here, vegetables and fruits, after cutting or after peeling them, if you wash, it may lost vitamins and minerals in them. That's why before cutting or before peeling only we have to wash with salt water, so that the germs which are present on the surface of the fruits and vegetables will remove away. Next one, repeated washing of rice, it may lost many vitamins, especially B1 vitamin. B1 vitamin, it leads to a disease called beriberi. Beriberi, Beri. And next, the skins of vegetables, means the peels of many vegetables will have vitamins and minerals. That's why we have to eat some raw vegetables and fruits without peeling them. Best example, grapes, sapodilla means sapota, mango, we have to eat like that. And also here, cooking improves the taste of the food, and it is, if the food is cooked properly, the digestion also gets easier. Cooking for more time, it results in the loss of certain nutrients. Best examples, if you eat more fried items or more roasting items, of course it may give spiciness and taste, but it lost many nutrients and minerals in them. Next, excess water should not add during the cooking. That's why nowadays we are using cookers which brings the food cooking with less water. Next one, vitamin C, it gets easily destroyed during the cooking when heat is applied. That's why vitamin C food items should eat raw, like raw fruits, fresh fruits and fresh vegetables which are containing the vitamin C can be taken directly. Best example, mango is excellent source of vitamin C. Tamarind, we can take them directly. Next one, here there is a boy who loves to eat only fat items. If you eat fat items more and more than carbohydrates and proteins, the person may affect by a disease called obesity. Obesity means intake of overeating but expensing the energy very less. So that condition is called obesity. The people are called obese people. They do not walk properly and they can't show any interest to play, to go out to play, because they may feel shame when others see their stomach or belly, the way of running, the way of writing. Okay, they feel some little bit inferiority. So to avoid that, we have to eat properly, we have to take balanced diet. Thank you.